Locate and document every utility shutoff and emergency contact before moving so you avoid leaks, outages, or hazardous situations for the new owners. Start by finding the main water shutoff valve and the gas service cutoff and verify they work by turning each briefly and restoring them to normal positions. Photograph each valve and its surrounding access, then write step-by-step instructions that a non-technical person can follow to operate them safely. Record meter numbers for electricity, gas, and water, and note their locations so the utility companies and the new owners can reference them easily. Call each local utility provider now to confirm the correct emergency phone number and to learn any move-out procedures they require, such as final readings, meter reads on closing day, or account transfer steps. Place printed copies of instructions, photos, meter numbers, and the list of emergency contacts in a clearly marked handover folder and put it in a visible location like the kitchen counter or in the property file you leave with the keys. Finally, run through a brief walkthrough with the buyer or property manager and point out the shutoffs, where the handover folder is kept, and how to contact utilities after hours so nothing is left to guesswork. Homeowners often cannot find the main shutoff because it is buried in landscaping, inside a crawl space, or behind a locked meter box. Solve this by tracing service lines from street to house during daylight and noting exact locations on a simple sketch. Sellers sometimes forget to include meter numbers and account details, which slows down final billing. Prevent that by photographing the meters and writing the numbers in your handover folder and on the final utility transfer checklist. Another common issue is valves that are seized or leak when operated. If a valve is stiff or shows signs of corrosion, have a licensed plumber or gas service technician repair or replace it before move out, and document the work with a receipt and contact details. BigHomeProjects.com is a place where we connect homeowners with local contractors and compile useful neighborhood utility contact information. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips and local experiences about moving and utility shutoffs.